Welcome to JTC Educational Revolution. In this video, it's a continuation of our last part. See, we need to find the unit vector perpendicular to plane and passing through these points. There is one formula for this student. Suppose if we consider these points as A, B, C or PQR, depends on that. If you consider it as PQR, that is P is equal to 1, 2, 3, Q is equal to 2, minus 1, 1, right? And R is equal to 1, 2, minus 4, right? Then we should find out vector P, that is nothing but I plus 2j plus 3k. I said you already, in your book they will write like this. OP is equal to vector P. Okay? OQ is equal to vector Q. 2I minus j plus k. OR is equal to R. I plus 2j minus 4k. Getting idea here, everyone? Right? So, now, this is how we need to convert the points into vectors. Okay, right. So, now, we know unit vector perpendicular to plane and given points is, see, here it is plus or minus, okay, plus or minus PQ cross QR. Okay, some books may use capital letters, depends. There is nothing is going to change the steps. Capital letters or small letter doesn't matter. So PQ you find out and QR you find out. That's cross product you do. Then divided by PQ QR cross products. That cross product magnitude you should divide. Okay, so this is our formula. Getting with this point, everyone? So what I'm doing, first I'm finding PQ together and write. Because that is one vector only now. Now PQ means, I said you already, second vector minus first vector, Q minus P. So what is Q? 2I minus j plus k minus P, I plus 2j plus 3k. I am doing directly here. 2I minus I minus j minus 2j, see, minus into plus, minus. So minus j minus 2j minus 3j. Both are minus. Minus into minus plus 1j plus 2j 3j. Okay? Now minus into plus minus. Plus k minus 3k minus 2k. Okay, this is PQ. Okay? Now we'll do QR. So R minus Q. This is, what is R? I plus 2j minus 4k. What is Q? 2I minus j plus k. Now if I solve this, QR will be I minus 2I minus I. 2j minus into minus plus 2j plus j plus 3j minus 4k minus k minus 5k. If you are getting confusion, open bracket with proper signs and solve it. You will get same answer. Okay, so we got PQ and we got QR. So now we should do PQ cross product QR. That is IJK. What is PQ? Here 1 minus 3 minus 2. QR minus 1, 3, minus 5. So if I do this, what I'm going to get? AD minus BC. See, AD. This I should solve. Minus 3 minus 5, 15. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Okay? Next. Minus J. So now AD minus 5 minus BC 2 plus K. So K means this row, this column I should leave. I should focus on this AD minus BC minus 3 minus 1, 3. So if I solve this now, but still with sign now, I will write later. Minus into minus plus, so 21I. 15 plus 6, 21, so 21I. See, minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. This minus plus, so 7J. Okay? 3 minus 3 cancel 0, so K part is not available. Is it clear, everyone? Now you got cross product of PQ and QR. Observe for a while. K part is not there. K part is cancelling because minus 3 plus 3, 0. Okay, so we got this much. Now we should find out their magnitude also. So PQ cross QR magnitude can be written as square root of 21 square plus 7 square. So 21 square, how much? 20 into 20, 400. So yeah, 441. So 441 plus 7 square, 49. So this will be how much? 50. 441 plus 49. 50, it is 90. So square root of 490. So, okay students, I think you can see in the screen that is square root of 490 student. I am writing upside here. Square root of 490 can be written as 49 into 10 now. So square root 49 into square root 10. Square root 49 is nothing but 7. Square root 10 as it is. So PQ into QR modulus is, magnitude is, not modulus, magnitude, 7 root 10. So now we substitute into formula. Plus or minus PQ cross QR by PQ cross QR magnitude. Okay? Right. So, plus or minus. What is PQ cross QR? Somewhere we wrote here. So, PQ cross QR is 21I plus 7J by, this is 7 root 10. Now I can solve this plus or minus. See, 21 and 7. 7 is common. So 7 I am taking outside. From 21, 7 came out. 3 I left out. 7 came out. J left out. By 7 root 10. 7 cancels. So final answer is 3I plus J by root 10, plus or minus 3I plus J by root 10. So this is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane and that points. Is it clear, everyone? Observe very carefully each and every point for 1 minute. You can pause and observe continuously if you want, depends. Yeah, so hope it's clear to everyone. Right, so we'll continue the next question on this only. So now vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D has been given. We should find out A cross B, C cross D and their cross product. So first we should find out A cross B, cross product of A and B. Then cross product of C and D. We'll get two vectors. Again their cross product we should find. So listen this very carefully, student. It will help you to understand cross product properly. Okay, if you have any confusion in the real videos, listen now at least carefully. Right, in previous video if you have any confusion. So first we'll do A cross B. So what is said you? Cross product means IJK should write A, coefficient you write. I component is 3, J component is -1. Sometimes we call component, sometimes we call simply like as being habituated, we call them as simply like I parts, J parts, K parts. Okay? So I component is 3, J component is -1, K component is 2. Correct word is you must use the word component. A, I component is -1, B, I component is -1, J component 3, K component 2. Now we should find out I plus minus plus. I'll write in short only, student. You understood already. AD -1 into 2 -2 minus BC 3 to the 6 minus J. So now J. So you should do this too. AD minus BC minus 2 plus K. AD 3 into 3 9 minus BC -1 plus 1. Okay, so this is -8. So -8I minus into minus plus 3 plus 2 5. So -5J plus 9 minus 1 8K. So this is our A cross B. Now we will find out B cross C cross D. Getting idea, everyone? Again I write I, J, K. C is I component 4, 5, minus 2. 1, 3, 5. So we'll solve it here. I plus minus plus AD minus BC -2 plus 3 -6 minus J AD 4 5 are 20 minus BC is 2. See, minus 21 minus 2. Next K, AB 4 3 are 12 minus BC 5 1 are 5. Okay, so minus into minus plus. So this is 31I minus into minus plus 2 20 plus 2 22. So minus 22J plus 12 minus 5 7K. So this is our C cross T. Okay everyone. Now we should find out these two vectors cross product. Now this is also vector, that is also vector. Their cross product we should find out. Now A cross B cross C cross D. So I, J, K. A cross B. I component is minus 8. J component is minus 5. K component is 8. C cross D. I component is 31. J component is minus 22. This is 7. Plus minus plus. So I AD minus 35. 5 3 jam 5 7 are 35 minus as it is. Minus BC 22 into 8. Here we need rough work. 16 16 17. So minus 176. Minus J AD. Okay, this is the profit. AD 8 5 are 40 48 56 minus 56. BC 31 into 8. 8 8 3 is 24 248 plus K AD. So 22 into 8 again. So minus into minus plus. So 176 minus BC 31 into 5. Right? 15 5 3 is 15, right? So this is minus 155. So the answer is, see, minus into minus plus. So 176 minus 35. This is plus, this is minus. So we should do subtraction. So this will be now 141. So 141 I. Getting, this is our answer. Now both are minus. So 248 I should add. So this is 14, 10, 304. So minus 304. Minus into minus plus 304J. Now this is minus into minus, inside plus. So plus K how much? 176, 155, 1, 1, 8, 13, 3, 31, 331K. This is our answer. Getting idea everyone? So you need to be good at solving this all. Right? So observe 5 minutes everyone. This is the last question in this video. Okay, so hope you understood this one. Observe carefully and write down everything.